The nominees for Best Sports Programme are
Jump Boys.
It has to be that important to you that it means the world that you...
Olympics 2012.
Olympic Games. Fabulous, Katie.
Setanta London 2012 Paralympics.
Paralympic champion on the double.
When Ali came to Ireland.
Live in living color. Don't miss this opportunity. I had to say it.
And the IFTA goes to When Ali Came to Ireland.
Thank you. Well, you're not supposed to lean down. Thank you to IFTA. Thank you to everyone here that voted for us. It's really an amazing honour. This was kind of a long one for us to get made and ended up being a lot of work. So we really want to thank all the crew that kind of went out of their way to help us, particularly Alex Sapienza, John Murphy, our editor, Michael O'Donovan, and Brian Moore. And we'd also like to thank RTE for commissioning the programme and supporting us, so thank you very much.
I'd also love to thank our contributors. Without good contributors, there wouldn't be a good story, so thank you to all of them, to all our friends and family, so thank you.
Thank you very much.